Hey, how you doing? Garage Door Mike. I'm going to show you a Haas carbon black, the barn door look here with the triple REC or the glazed 3-pane top insulated window. Clear glass looks absolutely awesome here. Loving the carbon black from Haas. Just a smoking awesome door. The frames here on the Haas I love too. They are built-in frames, not cheesy inserts. It's that carbon black look. I just step back and look at that. It's got a nice wood grain to it. The other thing which I love about Haas, I think I mentioned this in my very first carbon black video, these touch-up pens they give you are the bomb. Rattle them up a little bit, open them, and it's got like a little spongy tip on there. Absolutely the best touch-up pen on the market, in my opinion. There it is. I'm going to bring you on the inside. This was custom all the way around. You can see we had to kind of move this over a little bit, so we're going to have to trim this out, put a little 1x up here. We had to cheat it one way a little bit. On the inside, you can see what we did here. This is a 6.9, and you can see just got it underneath there. The horizontal track, you can see it's butted up against this heating duct, and we used a light duty commercial track here. It's a little heavier than the track they sent, and I also put a bigger wheel, 13 ball sealed nylon ball bearing wheel up there for the heaviness of the glass, and the rest are 11 ball wheel. Comes with 3 struts, these little box struts, and we also swapped the littler top fixture to the bigger one to get this thing to turn quicker, because we did have to knock an inch off the track because the drum, you could see, was right up there on the ceiling. And when we started hanging this door, we actually had to put the vertical and horizontal together first. There's the one hang. And then we did put a jack shaft up here, and once that all got together, we had to put the jack shaft on before anything. And as you can see right there, we used an old jack shaft coupler because the other one was too big, and you can see we are right on the wall. Okay, cable tension monitor, everything else, and here we go. Clears it beautifully, goes up beautifully. Just a real, it's kind of a tight install, but it went in. You can see the spacing here is perfect. I'll bring it over this side. I mean, you can't get any better than that. Goes pretty smooth on the way down. This is the door. This is the ceiling up top. Lock goes in. I mean, this is a grade A install here. Very happy the way it went in. We're just going to do some finishing adjustments here, and we're done. Innovative door for all your custom coach house needs, carriage house, Haas doors, carbon black, whatever you want, we got what you need. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thanks for watching our carbon black Haas overlay carriage house door jack shaft squeezed in on the side video. Thank you for subscribing. Drop a comment, drop a like, ask a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thank you for tuning in. Love you guys, and we'll see you on the next video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.